power costs and instability in its supply have a detrimental impact on business productivity and long-term profitability due to low profit margins. Installing a solar energy system can significantly reduce energy-related operational expenditures. Faced with the challenge of unreliable grid power supply, Jawwal, a pioneer telecommunications service provider in Palestine, hired MegaPower to supply, install, and commission an 83 kW solar diesel hybrid system for their Ramallah West Bank headquarters. This system used CanadianSolar PV models, SMA PV Inverters, and SMA Diesel Hybrid controllers to seamlessly integrate PV solar and diesel backups, resulting in considerable cost saving for their headquarter complex. Contact MegaPower for free consultation with our engineers.